Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make bento box for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so today I'm going to show you how to make bento box filled with lots of love and hearts. Very easy to make, let's get started. These are what you need. Japanese bread, I'm using 3 slices today. American cheese, ham, strawberry jam, and some butter for the sandwich part. For tamagoyaki, Japanese omelette, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon each of sake and mirin. You also need 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, some daikon radish, carrot, lettuce, and an apple. I'm making Japanese omelette first. 2 eggs in the bowl. Beat it. About 2 tablespoons of water, half a teaspoon hondashi, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon each of sake, and mirin. Give it a mix. And egg mixture is ready. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. I'm using square tamagoyaki skillet today, but if you're using round frying pan, here's the link for it. Prepare a small piece of paper towel and fold it into small pieces. Using the paper towel, oil the frying pan. Keep it close to the frying pan and pour out excess oil. Let's add 1/4 of the egg mixture. Sugar is sinking at the bottom, so every time you add, mix it well. Move the frying pan so the egg mixture covers all over the frying pan. And when it's half cooked, I mean the top side is slightly runny, roll it down. Using this oil here, push the egg to the top. Oil here. 1/3 of the egg mixture. From the second layer onward, make sure the egg mixture goes underneath the first one so that it works like a glue to stick the layers together. When it's half cooked, you roll this first one in. Oil here. Push the oil to the top. Oil here. Half of the egg mixture. When it's half cooked, you roll it down. Oil, push, oil, and the remaining egg mixture. It's half cooked, so let's roll it down. Prepare a paper towel and take the omelette out. Wrap it up so that it doesn't dry out while it's being cooled down. Try to make it into flat oval shape when you see it from the side. And let's put it aside to cool down. Now I'm making daikon and carrot pickles. Make thin slices of daikon. Let's cut it out using this heart-shaped cookie cutter. Like this. And do the same for carrot. So make thin slices. And cut it out. So here I have both daikon and carrot cut into heart shape in this Ziploc container. Let's put 2 tablespoons each of sugar and vinegar. Give it a quick mix. And leave this at least for 10 minutes, overnight if possible. Now I'm making sandwich. So here I have 3 slices of bread. Let's cut the crust off. Cut it into 4. And cut out this top layer with this cookie cutter. Some butter on these 4. Strawberry jam on these 2. Ham and cheese on these 2. Put the square bread. Little bit of butter. Strawberry jam on these 2. Cheese and ham on the other 2. And this one on top. So it looks like this. Bring back the tamagoyaki Japanese omelette we made at the beginning and let's make it into heart shape. Remove the paper towel. Cut both ends off just a little bit. Let's make 6 slices. Stand them up. Cut them diagonally like this. Flip one piece over to make this heart-shaped omelette. And an apple. Make a slice. like this, and cut it out. To prevent it from turning brown, make some salted water and dip it. So a little bit of salt in some water, mix it, and dip the apple. Everything is ready, so let's assemble them in this lunch box. Sandwich in the middle. Some lettuce as a separator. Small baking cup here. Daikon and carrot pickles in the baking cup. Heart-shaped egg omelette on the other side. Let's put the apple to fill the space here. And Bento Box for Valentine's Day is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!